Hey guys, welcome to Hat Workshop, and today I'm going to be turning that old plastic shoe rack right here, which doesn't fit my shoe anymore, into this, which is way more functional and also looks a lot better. So before we get started building this shoe rack, I'm going to show you the 3D design I did in Fusion 360 so you guys can get an idea of what I'm building. So I'm gonna go to this view here. So I have 7 slots for my shoes. So this is an extra tall slot for like high ankle shoes, like basketball shoes. And here the 15 centimeter slots, which are for normal sneakers and any shoe that would fit in here. And here is an extra tall slot, but it's not as tall as the 20 centimeter one for the high ankle shoes. So just like some sneakers are just they have like extra high heels and stuff, so you can put it here. And the 7th floor over here, it has a open top, so I could put shoe accessories such as like wax and you know, shoe cleaner and stuff there. So yeah, let's get building. As you can see here, we have finished building up the shoe rack, and the last and final step is to clean the edges and the tops up with sandpaper because it's kind of rough from the planer. So yeah, that'll be it. We don't have to really finish this thing because the wood, the quality of the pine is very good. It's from New Zealand. So yeah, that'll be it. Let's get finished. So it is all now touched up and it's pretty smooth. Yeah, so now let's go for the grand finale. So I really like how my shoe rack turned out, with the design being very simplistic, and I also like the wood color a lot since it shines and the color is just perfect, like the honey look. And I also like the little screws poking out the sides, which help show a different material other than only the wood. I also really like the functionality of my shoe rack, which can hold a lot more than my old plastic shoe rack that I bought a long time ago. And also, my feet are getting bigger, so the shoes don't really fit unless I shove them in my old shoe rack, as you've seen in the start of the video. So yeah, I really like that it works. It also really fits in my area right here. So yeah, if you also liked my shoe rack, please consider subscribing, like this video, and comment if you have any suggestions. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!